mention your education and what you professionally did before you.
Yeah, absolutely. I worked for the County of Riverside for 8 years in international business in the Economic Development Agency. I actually have international background. I'm born and raised in Bulgaria, lived in Germany for 9 years, studied bachelor's and master's there in communications. And yeah, I'm fluent in German, Bulgarian, English, basic Russian. That's it.
And we work for the same department, both of us.
Yes.
Yeah, and she already said it, Jacinda, just please.
My name is Jaswinder. I'm a social worker at Kaiser. I used to work as a therapist. So I'm very familiar with our community, some of the, like somebody mentioned, divorce and depression, substance abuse. So reason why I got involved into social work, my family wanted to be a nurse or doctor. But I said, no, I want to serve my community. I want to be there for, not only my generation, but older generation, the immigrant. We struggled. My mom, my mom was single parent, my dad passed away, and that's the only reason why we moved from Malaysia. I'm an Indian, Sikh Indian. From Malaysia, we moved here, and I struggled. I started my high school here. I started working very young age to support the family. My mom worked 2 jobs. We never rely on public assistance. So I realized the struggle that, the community, immigrant, when we come to America, we have to struggle. But today I have a master's degree in social work, and I have a license. I'm a licensed social worker. I work very hard. My children are born here, and my husband is a physician. But, I always empower women. It's generally our community, A single mom, you can do it. You don't have to rely on men per se or other people per se. But I believe in education. And I tell my children, you're born here, no excuses. I have to struggle. When I came here, I didn't speak any English, and I have to struggle. I built myself up, So I see a lot of potential in this country. And I'm very thankful for Angelo and Howard, for opening the door for younger generation.
A dental practice, and I have a bachelor's in environmental health science. We have 2 kids, a 20-year-old who is at UCLA and a 14-year-old who is part of the Riverside Unified School District. So I just want to thank Dr. Bird for that, working with him for the last 5 years that he's been on the board. It's been amazing. He's seen a lot of things with me, so I support everything. We're 100% in.
Yeah, I actually came to Southern California when I was in college, so I actually went to San Bernardino Valley College, and then I moved on to UCR, and then I got my doctorate degree at Loma Linda, so I've been in Zero for a long time. And then in 2000, I started my own practice right on 5th Street in San Bernardino, and I've been there ever since, so I've kind of watched the city go from what it used to be to what it is now. And every day I drive down the street and I see more vacant lots, empty buildings, abandoned buildings. And I've been very fortunate that that hasn't happened to me.
Yeah.
My name is Kulbhushan Singh Johar, and I came here in America 1997. Me and Mr. Sarwar were same college in India. So we met here again. So I have my warehouse for medical products in Ontario. We are building a new warehouse in Moreno Valley. 3 kids. One going to UCR computer science, my daughter is again UCR psychology law, and youngest one is in high school right now. So we are doing all kind of medical products for DMEs or healthcare business. My wife is a CPA, she's from Philippines. So that's what we are doing right now.
Very good.
Thank you very much.
Howard has been also, I want to make sure. You can
Just
hear-
like, let me see. Mr. Gary, he's from, I don't need any introduction, but we are still going to say Gary
Okay.
Agarwal from NRI Press. He is going to share a few things.
Actually, I was in Michigan as an automotive engineer. I have a master's degree in engineering, aerospace. I'm taking CNC numerical controls. Now, last 20 years, I was highly involved in news media because a lot of fake media going on. We try to bring our good media, that will be our voice must be heard worldwide. So we have very good team now worldwide, more than 50 people, even a lot of people helping it. Harpajan, Samraju, Sandhu, we have very good team also here. So our purpose is to help our community, purely, 100%. And secondly, I will say that today, the day I'm feeling it, somebody did a job like this. I am looking here last 20 years, young generation, some people have to come in front. Mr. Farooq, you are a model for our future, for our generation. I'm feeling it. Secondly, we have a good example of Bobby Jindal, Nikki Haley, Amy Bera, Mr. Khanna, all that people. Even a good friend of mine, Gurbaksh Mali, is a member of parliament 4 or 5 times there. So we will encourage that our second generation, you have opened a door our community. I appreciate for that. We will continue to help it. I appreciate Joe Sandhu. He's helping a lot to bring our community together, and especially Baljeet ji helping very good. She's a model also for us. Anyway, thank you very much. I don't take more time on that. Go ahead.
Thank you very much. So, would you like to
ਮੈਂ
say?
ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਫਰੂਕ ਲਈ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ, ਮੈਂ IM BSc
Anji.
ਤੇ B.Ed ਇਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦਾ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਇਸ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਥ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਜੋ ਦਿਖਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ, ਜੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਥ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਸਹੀ ਢੰਗ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬਾਂਹ ਫੜ ਲਈ, ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡੋਲਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ।
Beautiful. So,
You said if this community is going
They won't let you down.
They won't let you down. They will stand with you.
it means that Sikh community have no enemy. They try to help openly. That's all. Very simple.
Yeah, so that's why I was saying,
Beautiful.
party,
Beautiful.
even though we are small community, he will, yeah. Anji. Tusi, would you like to say something?
Yeah, a few words,
Yeah.
I was really impressed by this gentleman's qualification, and I wish him very good luck. I think the Sikh community is going to support you very well in this field. I'm a professional commercial realtor. I've been here for close to 50 years in the United States and pretty successful in my field. And all I want to say is that our Sikh community is a great community in this country. They have achieved a lot of success and they will support you. And I wish you all the best. God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes, Tusi ji, would you like to say something? Would you like to say something? Or the rest of it?
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦਿਓ ਮੇਰੀ introduction.
You can say something.
हाँ जी, I will just introduce myself. I'm Baljeet Satwar. I'm not into politics. I'm not into social gatherings. हाँ जी. I'm engineer by profession. I work for different cities, and I still work for cities around. So that's what I do.
He's a humble man. What should I say?